Hey everyone, it's Tammilee from Tammilee Tips, and we just got to the Golden Nugget Casino, Hotel, Spa, Resort amazingness in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and I wanted to give you a look around. We'll start in this gigantic bathroom that I kind of wish was mine, not gonna lie. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. We have a great set of spa products here ready for us. I always love when there's a makeup mirror and this bathtub. Yes, please. So this room, we are on the 6th floor here at the Golden Nugget. John's waving hi. And check out this bedroom. We have a king-size bed, tons of room, and this couch, which I am so excited to lounge on, even for 10 minutes to read a book because it just looks so comfy. And I'll give you a view outside. It's like 80 degrees right now in Lake Charles. And while we look over our parking lot, we also look over the beautiful golf course. And I've already seen some cool birds. I'll give you a better look at the full room. Here, we have a couple water bottles, some PJ's coffee, a safe built in, and one thing I haven't really ever had in a room before is this cute little dining area. So we can order room service and relax. There's a ton of great restaurants here at the Golden Nugget, so we're super excited to try that. So there we go. We're at the Golden Nugget in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and we will be sharing a ton more from our adventures here soon.